down a bit. So I hope you guys are doing great. A quick one. So Barrister Deji, VDM's lawyer, said that Efcc told him that there was no petition against Verydarkman. Like, nobody have any petition against him, and this guy was locked up since Friday with an standing order that nobody should be allowed to give him food, according to his brother, on that Friday evening. The thing is that let's leave aside sentiment right now. Let's leave all this our arguments, you know, stuff like that. You see that country called Nigeria. You see that country called Nigeria. We have a big problem. Like, how can you lock somebody up since 3 days now? Who say she did my back? I take them my back. You know they my back now. Doris, I don't want to swear for you. How could you lock someone since 3 days without no petition, without like, without having any reason, if I should put it that way, without no reason at all? You just lock somebody up. Is that not a clear case of violating someone's human rights? You know, this kind of injustice can only happen in Africa, Nigeria to be precise. And even I heard that some people went to protest, and we are kind of chasing them. They beat some people, like they mess some of them up because they went to protest on the illegal detention of Verydarkman. But I'm not surprised. You know, I'm not surprised if they can keep Mazin and the Kanu since 15 years. Yeah, it should be up to 15 years, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, that to be corrected. I mean, since 10 years, it should be 10 years. Sorry, not 15 years. I think they brought him from Kenya to Nigeria 2015, if I'm not mistaken. So if these people will keep Mazin Nande Kanu since 10 years in detention, I'm not surprised now. I'm not surprised. The thing is, Nigerian youth are not even ready to come out and discuss about this whole corruption in our system, about this whole injustice in our system, about this whole intimidation in our system. when you try to talk about politics or the systematic of our government, you won't see any comment. People will not comment. People will not share their ideas. You know? You don't see people. All of them will just ignored. But when it has to do with saga, all these unnecessary things they are interested on, you will see them, you will see comments, you will see like, you will see share. This is the reason why our politicians, all those guys in the office, they kept on messing up, messing everywhere. Somebody is calling me, and somebody is calling me. Can you hear me? I'm on live video. I will call you back. Just give me like 5 minutes. I will call you back. I'm on live video. So, what these people are doing to Verydarkman is unacceptable. It's really unacceptable. You know? I don't know why. I'm kind of feeling for him. Whether you like it or not, like I always said, the guy is not totally bad. The guy has done great in our society. Leave all this unusual pride or ranting unnecessary. You know, we all are human. I always make mistakes. But the fact that sometimes he will overdo his things doesn't mean that whenever something like this is happening in our society, we will keep quiet, or we'll just try to say, okay, this one has happened, that has happened. Because as far as I'm concerned, the system we all found ourselves, when you talk about this whole thing, it goes round, you know? When you talk about this whole thing, it goes round. If you think say, na Verydarkman, nothing will happen, this one and that one, maybe tomorrow, it fit be you. You know? It fit be you. So, EFCC, you see that group, that whatever called the EFCC. Amami Henda na Arona Nigeria. I don't know their work. Because they are there to fight the crime and not to violate people's human rights. So, I'm kind of late, so I will come down and do this video, but the whole thing is a mess, you know, kind of fucking late.
Okay, maybe I did say that. Before I knew the Lord you had.
And I need to recharge my car. I need to to recharge my fucking car. Today is Monday. So this statement from Efcc is unacceptable. Honestly, it's unacceptable. You know. So this whole thing is not making any sense. The injustice is fucking much. You know? How can a whole organization that is fighting for crime in Nigeria, that call themselves EFCC, could arrest somebody? Okay, according to stories, they say that it's a joint arrest. DSS arrested him, then they handed him over to EFCC. Then EFCC now locked him up in their detention without asking some proper questions like his crime, the reasons of the arrest. The thing is that what these people are trying to do now is that they want to calm down now and fabricate stories they will use to nail Verydarkman. And right now they are kind of expecting people to submit petition. You know, that is the system we practice in Nigeria. They first of all arrest you innocently. Then they will go around calling people. Did you have any issue with this person? Oh, yeah, bring your petition with evidence. Bring it. We have him now. Let's deal with him. This one, that one. That is the system we practice in Nigeria. Just like when they arrested Ogechi Njaka. They started calling everybody. People that she had a bit fallout with years ago. Submit your petition, this, that. We now have him. We will deal with him. Come, so that a petition will be strong enough. It will take her to court, this one, that one. You know? That is the system we are practicing in Nigeria. Why should it be so? I will be ending this life now because the only thing they want to do to this guy right now. That's the only thing they want to do to this guy. Delay him, detain him, and ask people. You know, all these people he had issue with. Them Polo, them mention them Ojo, all those skincare brands, all these people we have collected money from, you know, like we have dragged on social media to pay their debt. They are now calling them, I have bring petition, we are with him now. The next thing you will see now is for them to release a long statement that this is the reason why you arrested him. This person reported you. This person dropped petition. This person did that. This person did that. Why? Shouldn't be so. You know? Can you guys still hear me? Or is it noisy? If it's noisy, let me end the live. Jessica, is the video too noisy? If it's noisy, let me know. So I will end the live. Maybe I will do it some other time. Maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow. Can you guys hear me? Or is my video noisy? No saying on email train how that you guys hear me? Is it noisy? Should I end the live or should I continue? Can you guys hear me? Answer. You guys should respond to my question. Is the video noisy or I should go ahead? Okay. So the thing is okay, done not this. Again, can you agree before maybe naga or then they know like agree before. Okay, okay, for 2 stop. See, I'm like 2 stop. So the thing is, I will launch to tackle him. See, sometimes people will be saying Nigeria will be good, Nigeria will be better. How to come? We will be better on Nigeria and our view. In a case whereby, if anybody come out to speak on behalf of the poor, they will gang up against him. They will try all their possibilities to silence that person. How will Nigeria be if we continue practicing such thing in our system? This is the reason why when I see all these people blaming Ndiomina and Abusesu, blaming church, all these people saying that church is the problem, pastor is the problem, this one, that. I go to help them because they are confused, don't even know what your problem is. Church are even the people that are trying to give the hopeless people hope in that country. They are even the ones that are trying to give hope to those ones that are hopeless in that country. Those ones that has no hope anymore. That, you know, I'm not trying to say that everything about Church of the Senate is 100%. Okay, no. I'm not trying to say that. But the main problem we are facing is the corruption in our system by the government. So, you know, if I don't have yes, people will be talking. Some will say don't blame cheat. Some will say don't do this. They will say this one. They will say that one. This is the reason why I'm in support of anybody that wants to use the account in GT, because they are the tools DSS or what are they calling them now? Efcc used to arrest that guy. And it's high time we all should start holding those institutions accountable to whatever they did. Yeah, I'm trying to pay attention. I don't know that way. You know? Everybody needs to speak up. This is not the case of we don't like the way the guy is doing sometimes. We don't like this one, we don't like that one. Yeah, clearly intimidation, abusing of human rights, like who said he has been released? They never released the guy. Forget all this fake news. It's unacceptable, it's not good. You know? Acceptable. Whoever released the guy, don't mind anybody saying that he has been released.
La caisse, fesses, hein? La caisse, les fesses, quoi encore?
Did Ogechi Njaka said that? Are you sure? Maybe it's a misinformation. My mixed information. Well, I'll be stopping here so that some of you that want to go for Good Heaven should go without. Oh, I don't do late. I'm making you a garlic like this. It's unreal. Chinaza ekpere. Chinaza ekpere. Good evening. Jesus. My brother, I'm running. I'm running. I gotta go late here, Naga. And I even have another appointment. I have another appointment, so I'm trying to meet up. I won't do an eziokwu. I abuse eziokwu. I be na wumu ekperima. When I don't want to talk about you now, Oga. So unu choke woru nga we tugbuo Matthias na Abuja. Nwachukwu. When I don't want to talk about Matthias mu ekperima. Unu choke alokuo ya woru diki tufu. You guys are not being nice to that guy. You guys are not being nice at all. China said, but I'm doing great. I'm running, That's why I'm breathing fast. I'm running. Nwachukwu, when I use Oji and Kai develop Nigeria now. You guys have gone back to on route. Jirizie no Oji na Kai mezie bai ka odi ona. Ifu ozugbo mpark ya nata. Jirizie no Oji na Kai mezie bai ka odi ona ebe ade. Ifu m nata ozugbo. Ka odi enjoy go